just one daily habit to restore muscle strength like you're 40 again. They say with age comes wisdom, but what if strength could come too? Imagine waking up each morning and feeling steady on your feet, strong in your steps, and confident in your body, just like you did when you were 40. For many of us over 60, the biggest fear isn't wrinkles or grey hair, it's losing our independence. It's the quiet worry that someday we might not be able to lift ourselves out of a chair, carry groceries, or take a walk without help. But what if I told you that there's one simple, realistic habit that can help restore muscle strength and give your body a second wind? Welcome to the Elder Essential, where we believe growing older is a journey worth embracing, with grace, strength, and the right knowledge. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss out on powerful, easy-to-follow tips that help you live your healthiest, happiest life after 60. Let's start with a little truth. After the age of 30, we begin to lose muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia, and it can cause you to lose up to 5% of your muscle mass every decade after that. By the time we reach 70 or 80, if we're not actively doing something about it, we could lose up to 30% of our muscle strength. That's not just a number. That's the difference between walking independently or using a walker. Between feeling confident or feeling fragile. But here's the good news, muscle loss is not a one-way street. Science shows that our muscles are always ready to grow, yes, even in our 60s, 70s, and beyond. We just have to give them the right signals. So what's that one habit that sends the strongest signal? Let's find out. The one habit I want to share today is deceptively simple, daily bodyweight resistance exercises. You don't need a gym. You don't need dumbbells. All you need is your body and a few minutes a day. Bodyweight exercises, like chair squats, wall push-ups, leg raises, and heel lifts, engage the muscles you use every single day. These moves strengthen your core, legs, arms, and back, improve balance, and help prevent falls. And the best part? They can be done right in your living room, at your own pace. A study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy showed that older adults who performed simple bodyweight resistance training for just 10 minutes a day, 5 times a week, saw significant improvements in strength and balance in just 8 weeks. You can even turn this into a mindful, meditative routine. Play your favorite soft music in the background. Take deep breaths with each movement. Let your body and mind reconnect through purposeful motion. So if you're thinking, is it too late for me? The answer is absolutely not. Your body still listens. You just have to speak its language. Exercise alone isn't enough. To truly rebuild muscle strength, your body needs the right fuel. Let's talk about protein. Seniors often don't get enough of it, even though it's critical for maintaining and repairing muscle. Here are some senior-friendly, easy-to-digest protein options. Eggs, one of nature's most complete proteins, with all 9 essential amino acids. Great for breakfast or even soft-boiled for dinner. Greek yogurt, packed with protein and probiotics for digestion. Lentils and beans, fiber-rich and full of plant-based protein. Chicken or turkey, lean meats that are easy to prepare and digest. Tofu or cottage cheese, great alternatives if you're limiting meat. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein in each meal. Combine this with your daily resistance routine and you're giving your muscles everything they need to come back stronger. Also, don't forget the micronutrients, especially vitamin D, for bone and muscle strength. Magnesium and potassium, for muscle function. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon or flax seeds, which help reduce inflammation and improve muscle health. Hydration plays a critical role too. As we age, our sense of thirst diminishes. This can lead to chronic mild dehydration, which impacts muscle performance, joint health, and even energy levels. Make it a point to sip water throughout the day. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber to make it refreshing. Here's a gentle routine you can follow every morning or evening. 1. Chair squats, 10 representatives, sit down and stand up from a sturdy chair. Use your hands if needed at first. 2. wall push-ups, 10 representatives, face a wall and push your body in and out like a regular push-up. 3. Seated leg raises, 10 representatives each leg, sit tall and lift one leg straight in front of you. 4. Heel lifts, 15 representatives, hold the back of a chair and raise up on your toes, then slowly lower down. 5. Gentle stretching, 5 minutes, especially for the hamstrings, back, and shoulders. Do this for just 10 to 15 minutes a day. That's it. Pair it with a balanced breakfast, maybe some scrambled eggs with spinach, a slice of whole grain toast, and a glass of water with a splash of lemon. Add a midday walk or light gardening activity. These simple movements contribute to your overall strength and endurance. If you enjoy socializing, try a senior yoga or water aerobics class at a local community center. The key is consistency. This simple habit, done daily, can lead to dramatic improvements in strength, mobility, and overall confidence in as little as 2 months. Now, let's talk heart to heart. It's not always easy to start something new, especially when your body feels stiff or tired. But every journey begins with a small step. 1 squat. 1 glass of water. 1 healthier meal. Remember, this isn't about looking younger. It's about feeling stronger. It's about walking into your kitchen without fear. Lifting your grandchild without hesitation. Dancing in your living room to your favorite song. Sometimes, it helps to track your progress in a small journal. Write down how you feel after each session. Did you sleep better? Were you able to stand taller? These small victories will inspire you to keep going. Share your journey with a friend or spouse. Create a support system. Even check in with someone weekly. Having someone cheer you on makes the journey even more rewarding. Every time you move your body, you're telling yourself, I still have more life to live. And you do. So here's your challenge. Starting tomorrow morning, give yourself 15 minutes. Just 15. Do the exercises. Fuel your body with a protein-packed meal. And watch how you begin to feel, not just stronger, but more alive. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the Elder Essential. We're building a community where aging is seen not as a decline, but as a powerful chapter full of purpose, health, and joy. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're walking it together, one strong step at a time. Stay strong. Stay kind. Stay essential. Until next time.